Bonjour, ça va? In this series, we are going to focus on French pronunciation and French spell as well. We are not going to see all the French sounds because you already have a video with all the French sounds, but instead, we are going to focus on the most difficult French sounds, the liaison or sound linking between words, the elision, the accents, the silent letters. But today, I'm going to do an introduction about the main difficulties of the French pronunciation and spell. You'll see it's not always easy, but if it is explained properly, it's not that complicated. The first pronunciation difficulty is when sounds are hard to pronounce or to distinguish. In the first line, we have Bonjour, France, un café. You can see in blue letters the three French nasal vowels on, un. They might sound similar, but they are not. In the second line, we have Je m'appelle Émilie. You can see in red letters three similar sounds written with the letter E. E, et je m'appelle Émilie. In the last line, we have the word rue. In this tiny little word, there are two difficult French sounds, the French R and the sound U, rue. The second pronunciation difficulty is that some letters are not pronounced. In bonne nuit, the final E of bonne and the final T of nuit are not pronounced. Bonne nuit. The third pronunciation or spell difficulty is that a same sound can be written with different letters. In the first line, we have Salut, ça va? You see the S sound can be written either with the letter S or with C cedilla. In the second line, we have Je m'appelle Pascal. You see the P and le sounds can be written either with one P or L or with a double P or a double L. In the third line, we have the words français, je m'appelle, mère, tête. You can see the sound E is written in three different ways. A plus I, the letter E with the grave accent, or l'accent grave, and the letter E with the circumflex accent, or l'accent circonflexe. The fourth pronunciation or spell difficulty is that a lot of sounds are written with more than one letter. In the words bonjour and bonsoir, for example, the nasal sound on is written with letters O plus N. The sound ou is written with O plus U, and the sound wa is written with the letters O plus I. Bonjour, bonsoir. Finally, there are some more things that make French difficult. The liaison, for example, where you must say nous allons instead of nous allons. The elision, where you must say je m'appelle instead of je me appelle. And all the different accents, the C cedilla, etc. But there are also some easy things. You don't have to worry about the tonic accent in French, for example, because French words are always stressed on the final syllable. Besides, even if you don't stress the words or sentences correctly, it's okay because your accent will be charmant. Okay, so this was an introduction video for this French pronunciation section. You'll see sometimes French pronunciation might look difficult, but if we focus only on the most important points, you will improve your pronunciation very fast. So, in the next pronunciation video, we will learn how to recognize the silent letters, or the letters that are not pronounced in a word. À bientôt!